I went to take delivery of something which is just standing in front of me, and damn, she looks beautiful.
When the sky is filled with stars and the night is falling down.
Disclaimer, this is a raw, very less edited video, so I've just combined all clips and just uploaded it. So please bear with me this time because I had no time and I was really tired. So see you with a better video next week. Please watch the Diwali vlog. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And a very, very, very happy Diwali to you and your family. Hope you had a great one. ट्रिम कर लोगे ट्रिम, बहुत बढ़ गया है दाढ़ी. दिवाली भी आ रहा है, आ चुका है एक्चुअली. Yeah, let me trim this beard or shave it off, I guess, and take a bath and get back to you. So guys, you may be wondering that light has changed, everything has changed, because I thought I'll start the vlog early today, but it's 5 o'clock, 5:20. Why did I do that? I am completely sorry, I would say, because our school were taking exam. So from 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock I was busy in the exams, which was pretty boring, I know. So it was like, I don't know why are they taking exams, but they're taking it. And today was Diwali, but they took it. And then I had to go somewhere, it took an hour extra, and then I had to go on somewhere else, it took an hour. Then I came home 5 o'clock and all, and now I'm completely free and I just got time to vlog. I would love to have taken you guys outside, but I was with my family doing this work, that work, taking care of the camera that time would be a little bit difficult, so I didn't take you guys together. Sorry for that, but that's it how my day was. We'll continue now because today I guess it's at 6:15 we worship the diyas and all, and I got something for myself too. Just a second. So since it's Diwali, I thought I'll gift myself something. So I got this few days ago. This is a Nikon brand camera bag, which is really good. I can just take it anywhere and vlog, and not vlog actually, I can just carry it like this, and looks really good and sleek. I guess now you can see it, and really sleek. It just takes a camera and maybe an additional lens, but my camera with mic wouldn't go, you know, so that's a bit of difficulty. And I also got this thing, which is a card holder and a memory card too. So these are some of my memory cards, you know, and I have one, the most expensive one, SanDisk Extreme Pro something. I carry all 64 GB because I feel they are the most reliable. I usually don't fill 64 all the time, but sometimes I do fill, so I have an additional Extreme 2 cards for reliability. If one fails, I have another, and I have one Extreme Pro. I'm thinking of getting the another Extreme Pro soon when I get something more, and more to come. So I wouldn't reveal what am I getting because it's not so sure. Something has arrived. It is arrived, not, it's not reached Kathmandu. I'm really sad that it has not reached Kathmandu yet. It's been a month since I've ordered it, but I'm just waiting on it. And I really want to get tripod, that Gorilla Pod from Joby too. That's really sleek, very smooth, it's easy for vlogging and all, but I've not got that too. I want to get it, I don't know when. I want to get some more camera gear too, but I don't know when. And that's about it. Diwali this year is a little bit different, but I'm wearing traditional and all, and I'm guess I'm just gonna go wash my face and put some cream and do my hair and go down and do the puja and all. So guys, yesterday we started the vlog here and ended the vlog here. Today it's 14th of November, actual Diwali, and it's already 2:40, and my attire for today, I guess it's looking great. And today we're going somewhere really awesome because it's Diwali and lots of surprises, and a short surprise for you guys also and for me also. So I guess I will not reveal that surprise in this video. I guess, or I can also. I don't know. I have not planned if anything. Let's see. That surprise is a really big surprise. It's not here yet. We're gonna go get it. The timing is at 3 o'clock, so let's leave, I guess. Let's go have something and then leave and get the surprise. So happy Diwali, everyone. Now we've like done the puja and all, and I told you about a surprise. I didn't vlog there, but I went to take delivery of something which is just standing in front of me, and damn, she looks beautiful. First look at the Diwali vibes all over the place over here and all. Just in a second, not now, you know. I guess you've seen it in the story, but ऐसे दिखाने का अलग ही मजा है. So the house is looking beautiful. Everywhere Diwali vibes. Just burned some small firecrackers, not like those bursting ones, just for like shagun, the fuljaris and jirjires and all. And the surprise is actually a new car. And I was also really surprised that we got this thing, and this is really looks amazing. And we got it SsangYong, yeah. The brand is SsangYong, and I don't remember the model name. It's really hard to pronounce. It's, I guess, Trivoli. Yes, Trivoli. So pretty good car. The price is also decent, and we got it for a great deal, and it's brand new. And on Diwali day, you're getting a new car. That's amazing. So this was pretty much planned in just one day. Sure, and just it's standing here, and really amazing, and all the Diwali vibes over here. And let's continue. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Maybe I'll go to the office, do the Lakshmi Puja. The puja has already started, but I'm not there because I wanted some rest. I woke up at 7 a.m. today, so I'm just sitting by here and enjoying the Diwali vibes. It looks really good. I don't know why, but the festive seasons brings it a lot of joy and happiness to me. And something for YouTube is also coming, which I'll not disclose, of course. जब आएगा तब देख लेना जा कहाँ रहे हो तुम लोग, है ना. So this is it. I'll give you a short cinematic of everything, and the car too, but not now. The car needs a proper wash because we just got it from the showroom, and because it was Diwali and all, so we didn't think much about wash and all. So we'll get it washed tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whenever we want and all. And I'll take a short cinematic of the house. Not actually the house, but somewhat the house. You understand, the rangolis and the diyas and all. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Have a look, it's all around. There's no limits between us. I feel extraterrestrial tonight.